Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a smooth transaction edit like this. First, turn on Proton VPN, arrange and clips properly, then add the Airtel Pong song. Click on the first clip and go to animation, fading. Use the same animation for the second clip as well. Next, go to transaction and add the shake effect to all the clips. Then apply the graph setting shown in this tutorial to make the edit smoother. After the enable better quality and add a vibration animation to the clip. Go to the clip where you want to add your name. Click on text, type your name, use the purple color and add a glow effect. Finally, add some color glitch effect. And boom, your edit is done. Upload it in Wing and export it in 4K high quality. For more editing tips and tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.